saya sa taas.
Ba't na hindi tayo umakyat sa tuktok, no?
May ganap pa tayo.
May ganap pa. Ako naman, yung na-miss ko, yung Dubai Expo. Yes! Kasi wala ako nun eh. Hindi ako nakasama sa Girls Mom. Kasi namaga yung mata ko.
Ay, oo, nalala. Ay, infection makeup mo.
Yes, ako. Tapos si Ate Aya yung nagtanggal ng makeup ko. Kasi namaga nga yung eyes. Sino pa? Ate Manoy, ikaw?
Ako, na-miss. Ay, pumunta kami sa desert. Tapos, nanood kami ng mga nag-belly dancing. Tapos, mga nagpa-fire dancing. Tapos, nag-try kami mag-henna tattoo. So, memorable yun. Doon din ako first time nakatry ng legit na shawarma talaga. Legit. Legit.
Si Ate Colette.
Ako, ano sasabihin ko, yung ATV natin dun sa yung na-disgrasya si Aya at si Mia. Pero okay naman sila, masaya naman talaga. Yes. Sana maulit natin ako may free time tayo.
Ulit yung ano,
Hindi. Maulit natin yung, sana makagala pa tayo. Yes.
Tsaka imagine, nagpunta tayo dito noon, pandemic. Tapos who would have thought na makakabalik tayo at na mabigyan ulit tayo ng opportunity mag-perform dito ngayon? Yes, and alam niyo yun, parang after 4 years, makakabalik tayo and sarili na nating show, world tour, own concert. Grabe, iba talaga kumalaw si Lord. Thank you, Lord.
Thank you, Lord. And, ito na.
Yes, and for our next song, actually, it's kind of been a while since we last performed it. And for our next songs, our message to you guys is that we share with you our music and we have lots of surprises for you. And these next songs are for all those people who have self-doubts, thinking you are not worth it, and feel the pressure in everyday life. And we just want to say that nothing can hold you back because life is not a race. And